Hi there, welcome back to the hashtags Insights for the Entrepreneurs program. So this program is intended to leave you with an insight every week that will cause a breakthrough result in your business. So we were discussing about the 4 vitals. When you keep them in perfect balance, that will create bigger results in your business. The first one we discussed was the balance between the constraints and the vision. The second one was the balance between the technology and leadership. And the third one was the balance between the fruits versus the roots, the results versus the efficiencies. So today I am going to talk about the fourth one, the fourth vital. Last but not the least, it is the balance between me versus the mission. What does it mean? The balance between the individual identity or individual thought process versus the collective thinking, the team thinking or the mission. Now let me tell you, boutiques are built by individuals. Enterprises are built by teams. So if you want to build an enterprise, you need to build teams. It cannot be built with individuals. What does it mean? What creates great teams? What connects great teams? Is it money? Is it benefits? No. It is the mission. The source of inspiration for the team shall be the mission, not the money. The motivational factor for the team to work shall be the mission, the purpose of the mission. When you define an inspiring purpose, the teams will naturally give their best. People come together because winning, accomplishing the mission gives more satisfaction than the monetary gains. So balancing between the individual aspirations and the mission is the fourth vital. When we created this in our enterprise, when we realized this, we defined the purpose of each and every team. We defined why this team is critical for the overall goal of the enterprise. When the teams realize why that particular team, why that particular role is so critical in the overall scheme of things, in the bigger picture, the degree of participation, the level of connectedness has totally transformed. People started working more than what they were working earlier. They started putting more hard work, they started putting more heart in their work, which led to a bigger set of results for us. So the insight for this week is, are your teams, are your employees, including yourself, are you tilted towards me or are you tilted towards the mission? Do you have a perfect balance in your enterprise between the me and the mission? So my invitation to you is to introspect this aspect and discover what more that you can bring in to achieve a perfect balance between the individual aspirations, the individual gains against the mission, the priorities of the mission. Thank you very much. I hope this will cause a breakthrough result in your business, and we will see you next week with a different set of topics, with a different set of concepts. Until then, bye bye, have a good day.